how do you create your own new style? You click this button. That's one of the possibilities of how to do this. You click the button and there will be a dialog box that pops up where you can name your new style. Let's, for example, say this is level 1 style or something. You can name it however you want, as long as it makes sense for you and for your colleagues or your counterparties. You name it, for example, level 1. You click OK. You see there is a little preview, but you already styled it. You can still configure the style at this point, but it's probably easier to do it within the bigger window before you went into that dialog box. Look, there's now a new entry here, level 1 style. And you can create any number of styles and then apply them to your paragraph. Like, how do you actually apply them? Here it is already done for you, but let's go here and you just click it. And notice, just clicking, it's this easy. So you don't even have to double click on some format painter and then remember to not do anything in between, because then the paint gets lost. No, you just go in there, you click on it and you have your style. And so you can go through the entire document like this, applying your style and applying and creating multiple levels, creating everything you want and applying directly to the paragraphs.
Martin, we've got a couple of questions come in. Everyone's saying, can you show that again, what you clicked to get that?
Yeah. So let me go back up to the beginning. So suppose let's do another color. Let's do green this time. Let's make it italic. Let's underline and let's make it bigger again. So you start from something, then you say here, this button, new style. So of course you have to click this one, this tiny little button here in the lower right corner to show this panel. And once it is visible, you click on this button that says new style, and then you give it a name. And then let's name it again, level 1 style. I think we did, yeah. And we click OK. So you give it a name and you click OK. That's it. And then you go through each of the paragraphs and just click it and go through the document. And quick tip here, you can also press Control Y on your keyboard. So now instead of clicking here, I can actually repeat the last command. This has nothing to do with styling as such. This is a general tip that you really want to know about. This is the opposite of undoing that I'll now be doing. So that's this button actually. So Control Y on my keyboard, and then it will apply the last command again. So it's like undo, but in reverse, and you can continue doing this. Let me go to number 4. And now I'm tapping Control Y on my keyboard, and it will be exactly the same as if I would have clicked here in this list. And by the way, you can do this with almost any command in Word. If you would be indenting one paragraph and hit Control Y or hit this button, it would repeat that indentation again with that new paragraph. Or when you would give something a bullet or give something a bold formatting and so on, it would always repeat this.